Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about 10 multiple choice questions in the subject Design of Steel Structures. This will be very helpful for all the competitive exams and interviews. So let's start the video and move on to first question. The effective length of a compression member of length L held in position and restrained in direction at one end and effectively restrained in direction but not held in position at the other end is option A L, option B 0.67 L, option C 0.85 L and option D 1.5 L. Answer option A L. Second question. The ratio of shearing stress to shearing strain within elastic limit is known as option A modulus of elasticity, option B shear modulus of elasticity, option C bulk modulus of elasticity and option D tangent modulus of elasticity. Answer option B shear modulus of elasticity. Third question. For determination of allowable stress in axial compression, Indian Standard Institution has adopted option A Euler's formula, B Rankine formula, C Exer's formula and D secant formula. The answer is option D secant formula. Fourth question is, the method of design of steel framework for greatest rigidity and economy in weight is known as A. Simply design, B. Semi-rigid design, C. Fully rigid design and D. None of these. And answer option C. Fully rigid design. The effective length L of a simply supported beam with ends restrained against torsion and also the ends of compression flange partially restrained against lateral bending is given by option A L is equal to span, option B L is equal to 0.85 span, option C L is equal to 0.75 span and option D L is equal to 0.7 span. Answer option B L is equal to 0.85 span. Sixth question. In plastic analysis, the shape factor for circular section is A 1.5, B 1.6 and C 1.697, D none of these. Answer option C 1.697. Seventh question. The critical stress on a column for elastic buckling given by Euler's formula is A. Fc is equal to n square E divided by I by R the whole square. B. Fc is equal to I by R whole square divided by n E. And C. Fc is equal to I by R divided by n E. And D. Fc is equal to n square E divided by I divided by R. Answer option A. Fc is equal to n square E divided by I by R the whole square. Next, eighth question. A beam is defined as a structural member subjected to axial loading, transverse loading, axial and transverse loading and none of these. Answer option B transverse loading. According to IS 800-71, the minimum thickness of a vertically stiffed web plate shall not be less than option A D divided by 85, option B D divided by 200, option C D divided by 225 and option D D divided by 250. Answer option D D divided by 250. And last 10th question. A fillet weld may be termed as A. Mitre weld, B. Concave weld, C. Convex weld and D. All of the above. Answer option D. All of the above. Fillet weld may be termed as mitre weld, concave weld and convex weld. Okay. That's it for today's dears. We will meet another 10 multiple choice questions in the next video. Thank you for watching my video.